Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Google account the Play Store uses. This matters because purchases tie to a single account. Next, open Payments and Subscriptions and inspect your saved payment method. Card expiration, insufficient funds, or a hold can block purchases. If you use Google Pay, make sure your default funding source has available balance. Once you find a problem, update the card or add an alternative funding method so purchases can proceed immediately. Now fix authorizations and conflicts. Remove then re-add the card to force a fresh bank authorization because stale tokens cause insufficient balance errors. After that, go to Android settings, clear Play Store cache and storage, and force stop the app. This resets transaction state. Also review billing and subscriptions for pending refunds or active subscriptions that reduce available funds. If carrier billing is active, confirm with your carrier that limit finish by attempting the purchase with the updated payment method. Try a small $1 test charge to confirm authorization. If you still see insufficient balance, redeem a Play gift card or switch to a family payment method as a quick workaround. If problems persist, call your bank to check holds and declines, then contact Google support with transaction ID and screenshots. If you get an error code, note it. Support uses that to diagnose and clear server-side or account blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.